Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to determine the value of thermal conductivity of bad conductor by Leibniz method. In order to perform this experiment, we required Leibniz apparatus, hot plate, steam boiler, two thermometer of range -10 Celsius to 110 Celsius, digital stopwatch, vernier caliper, screw gauge, and experimental disc of a bad conductor, and a soft rubber pipe approximately half meter. Now, in order to perform this experiment, first we determine the value of radius and thickness of this experimental disc with the help of vernier caliper and screw gauge. After that, we calculate the value of mass of this brass disc with the help of digital weight machine. Now, we place the experimental disc in between brass disc and steam chamber, and switch on the hot plate. Now the water into the steam boiler converted into steam, and allow the steam to pass through this steam chamber till the temperature of thermometer T1 and T2 becomes constant. Now note the value of temperature of thermometer T1 and T2. Now remove the experimental disc and place the steam chamber on brass disc directly. Now allow the steam to pass through this steam chamber till the temperature of this brass disc increases by 10 Celsius. When the temperature of this brass disc increases by 10 Celsius, now separate the steam chamber from the brass disc. Now allow the brass disc to cool separately. Now with the help of digital stopwatch, note down the value of temperature after a fixed interval of time, and note all these readings in a table. Now we draw a graph between time taken and temperature of the brass disc, taking temperature along temperature along y-axis and time along x-axis, and calculate the value of slope of the curve. Now we calculate the value of thermal conductivity of this bad conductor using formula thermal conductivity K is equal to MSD divided by pi r square theta 1 minus theta 2 into d theta by dt at temperature theta 2. Here M is the mass of this brass disc, S is the specific heat of brass, D is the thickness of this experimental disc, pi is the constant, R is the radius of this experimental disc, theta 1 and theta 2 are the temperature of this steam chamber and brass disc in a steady state, and d theta by dt is the slope of the curve. By using all these values, we can calculate the value of thermal conductivity of this bad conductor. Thank you.